the previous module, we saw what AI is, and we looked at some of the things that use it that you would have encountered in your daily life. We then traveled across more than 6 decades of AI history. In this module, we'll take a look at modern AI. What are the things and terminologies you need to know if you got started today? First, we'll take a look at what big data is and why it is important to AI. Then, we'll talk about what machine learning is and the different types of machine learning. In the next section, we'll delve further into the AI ocean and learn about deep learning and the things that make it tick. Finally, we'll talk about the technique which helps computers understand human language, natural language processing. One of the first things you need to know while talking about modern AI is big data. What is big data? And why is it so important to the advancement of AI? So, what is big data? Big data refers to extremely large datasets that generally cannot be processed or analyzed by traditional computing programs. For data to be considered big data, there has to be a large amount of it coming from multiple sources and with a high rate of collection. Summarizing that last sentence, we could say there are 3 V's to big data: volume, variety, and velocity. If the definition didn't clarify things for you, let's look at some examples of big data. Black box or flight data recorder. This is the data generated by airplanes, including jets and helicopters. Black box data includes flight crew voices, microphone recordings, and aircraft performance information. A single jet can generate about 10 plus terabytes of data in 30 minutes of flight time. Then, we have the stock exchange data, meaning data from stock exchanges about the share selling and buying decisions made by customers. The New York Stock Exchange is an example of big data that generates about 1 terabyte of new trade data per day. Then, we have the Internet of Things, or IoT. A connection to the Internet enables companies to collect data through devices like smart home systems, robotic vacuum cleaners, smart TVs, mobile devices, and wearable fitness trackers that log files. We've seen what big data is, but why is it so important to AI? Big data and AI go hand in hand. Without data, there would be no artificial intelligence. Without artificial intelligence, all that raw data wouldn't be usable, as there would be no way to process it efficiently, let alone in real time. AI has become much more powerful over the last decade. Thanks to the amount of data being collected, combined with improved algorithms, artificial intelligence has become more helpful and precise, allowing data analysts to process even more data that can be used for business success. Big data has allowed the field of AI to advance more quickly. The need to analyze large datasets has created practical applications for artificial intelligence and nearly unlimited data for the technology to process. According to Forbes, the most recent research indicates that a combination of AI and big data can automate nearly 80% of all physical work, 70% of data processing work, and 64% of data collection tasks. This suggests that the two concepts have the potential to tremendously affect the workplace, in addition to their contributions to marketing and business efforts.